She's in love with the concept, as if we're all just how she imagined. We're in love, we just don't know it yet. But tell me how I'm supposed to see the magic, 'cause I don't believe in it no more. But I won't tell her, 'cause I always imagine it's easier if she thinks she won. So I'ma let her. And she said, I don't think I love you no more. You never seem to call me lately. Girl, I don't think you know me at all, 'cause I never thought I'd have to say this. No, I don't love you, and I never did. Look at us burning down in flames with kicks. But just know, I'm not singing for your ex soul. I'm just singing 'cause it's over. Came and went like the summertime. Is that a sunset or sunrise? Looking mad like where the time goes. So much for trying to keep this moving slow, 'cause I don't believe in her no more. But I remember how we talk shit like we knew what we wanted. I still remember what she said. I don't think I love you no more. You never seem to call me lately. But I don't think she knew me at all, 'cause I never thought I'd have to say this. But I'm no liar, and I never hid anything. You should have seen it coming to this. But just know, I'm not singing for an ex though. I'm just singing 'cause it's over.